Well, as we begin a new month, we're getting into the second month of 2021. And of course, we can't start a new month without, well, a couple of things, but most importantly, talking to Emily Frankowski with Connect to Culture. And Emily, I am so happy to be able to talk to you because you've recently made a big announcement as an organization.
Yes, we have. So this Monday, February 1st, we are going to have the groundbreaking for the Harry M. Cornell Arts and Entertainment Complex, which will be a new performing and visual arts center in downtown Joplin. And it will be, not only the home for Connected Culture and Spiva Center for the Arts, but also other organizations like Pro Musica and anyone else that wants to join us on the way. And it's just going to be a home for the arts in Joplin, an actual home where tons of things are happening that everyone hopefully will take part in. So that's going to be Monday at 1 p.m. Everyone is asked, come on down. We're going to be socially distant, have masks on, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
This has been a long time in the works. And before we get into, our talking about events, performances and exhibits and classes, I just want to highlight this because the work to get to the point where you can have a groundbreaking. I mean, everybody
Mm-hmm.
imagines and thinks about the moment with the big scissors and the helmets, but like
Mm-hmm.
this is how do you feel? What's it feel like to be working on something for
Yeah.
years and now see it come to fruition?
It feels surreal. I mean, it has been a long time coming. It's been, so many people have been working extremely hard since 2009 to make this a reality. And I've been, there for most of those years, not all of them, but it's just going to be such an exciting time for Joplin. And I'm, selfishly looking forward to having a brand new office and, place for Connected Culture to have performances regularly, and just open like a world of possibilities. Right now we're so limited with the venues that we don't really have in Joplin. And not only ourselves will be able to use it, but other organizations that lack that kind of performance space. And then amazing exhibits at Spiva that they don't have the space for or the requirements needed. And so it's just really going to boost quality of life in Joplin and help make downtown even cooler than it already is.
Well, there is a lot coming up in the month of February. I know we don't have the full venue yet, but there is still a lot happening. So I would like to
Mm-hmm.
highlight those events, exhibits, classes, you name it, coming up here in a little bit. So don't leave us, Emily. We're going to be right back on the KOA Morning News right after this.
KO